As an expert in accounting software, I often get asked about the popularity and reach of various platforms. One question that frequently pops up is, how many people actually use FreshBooks? It's a valid query for anyone considering this software for their business, for those studying the landscape of accounting technology, or even for writers looking to provide accurate information on the topic. While FreshBooks doesn't publicly release precise, real-time user counts, we can delve into available information and industry insights to paint a clear picture of its significant user base. FreshBooks has established itself as a leading cloud-based accounting software specifically designed for small businesses, freelancers, and self-employed professionals. Its intuitive interface and focus on features like invoicing, time tracking, expense management, and project management have resonated strongly with this target audience. This specialization has allowed FreshBooks to carve out a substantial niche within the broader accounting software market. While a specific, up-to-the-minute user figure isn't readily available, several indicators point towards a large and active user base. Firstly, FreshBooks has been a prominent player in the market for over 2 decades. Founded in 2003, the company has had ample time to acquire and retain a significant number of users globally. Their consistent presence, coupled with positive reviews and word-of-mouth referrals within the small business community, suggests a strong and growing adoption rate over the years. Secondly, FreshBooks frequently highlights milestones and achievements that indirectly reflect its user numbers. For instance, they often mention the volume of invoices processed, the amount of money tracked through their platform, or the number of businesses they empower. These figures, while not a direct user count, strongly imply a substantial and active community relying on their software for their financial management needs. To illustrate, imagine a company proudly announcing they've processed billions of dollars in invoices annually. This scale of financial activity wouldn't be possible without a significant number of users actively utilizing the platform for their billing. Thirdly, industry analysts and market research firms often include FreshBooks in their reports on accounting software. While these reports may not provide exact user numbers, they consistently position FreshBooks as one of the leading solutions in its category, often alongside other well-established players. This consistent recognition within the industry further supports the idea of a large and engaged user base. These reports typically consider factors like market share, brand recognition, and customer satisfaction, all of which are positively influenced by a significant number of users. Furthermore, the continuous development and expansion of FreshBooks features and integrations also suggest a healthy and growing user base. Software companies invest in new features and partnerships based on user demand and the potential for growth. FreshBooks' ongoing efforts in these areas indicate a thriving community that provides valuable feedback and represents a significant market opportunity. Think about the constant addition of new integrations with other popular business tools. This wouldn't be a priority if the user base wasn't substantial enough to warrant these investments. While we might not have a precise figure, considering these factors, the company's longevity, their reported milestones, industry recognition, and ongoing development, it's reasonable to conclude that FreshBooks caters to a large and active user base, likely encompassing hundreds of thousands of small businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs worldwide. It's important to understand why this number matters. For potential users, a large user base can indicate a stable and reliable platform. It often translates to a wealth of online resources, community support, and a greater likelihood of the software being continuously updated and improved. For those studying the accounting software market, understanding the user numbers of key players like FreshBooks helps in analyzing market share, growth trends, and the overall adoption of cloud-based accounting solutions.